Hello engineers, so let's try to solve this sample problem taken from the past REE April 2018 board exam. So yung problem natin is an induction motor with it full 60 Hz is operated at 3% slip. What is the rotor speed? Okay, let's try to solve this problem using our Caltech solution. So sa calculator nyo engineers, is punta kayo sa mode 3 and then 2. So mode 3 to mode 3 and then 2. Next, magkakaroon tayo ng display na X and Y column. So sa X and Y column natin, input natin yung X as percent slip, and then for Y column is our rotor speed. So first is at percent slip equal to 0, yung magiging speed niya is our synchronous speed. So that is 120 times frequency over P. And then for percent slip equal to 1, yung magiging rotor speed natin is equal to 0. So input lang natin 0 and 1, and then for Y column is 120 times frequency over P, that is 120 times 60 all over yung number of pole natin na 8. And then for second row is 0. So input lang natin to sa ating calculator. 0, 1, and then our synchronous speed 120 times 60 over 8. And then enter EC. So enter EC natin. Then after nyo ma-enter yung EC, input natin yung percent slip 0.03. And then since the rotor speed yung hinahanap, maglalagay tayo ng Y hat. So 0.03 Y hat. So para ma-solve natin yung ating rotor speed. So 0.03, and then yung Y hat natin is ship 155. Ship 155. And then enter equal. So we have a rotor speed equal to 873 RPM. So ulitin lang natin yung ating Caltech solution. So let's simulate it from the start. So mode 3 to. So first, yung slip natin is 0, and then slip at equal to 1%. Equal to 100% rather. And then yung speed natin is 120 times 60 divided by 8 and then 0. Enter EC, and then yung percent slip na given natin is 0.03. So para ma-solve natin yung rotor speed is Y hat, ship 155 equal. So that is 873 RPM. How about kung percent slip naman yung hahanapin tapos rotor speed naman yung given? So dito natin siya isosolve sa problem number 2. So itong problem number 2 is taken from REE April 1992 board examination. So yung problem natin is the rotor speed of a 6-pole 50 cycle induction motor is 960 RPM. Calculate the percent slip. So let's try to solve this problem using our Caltech solution. So same process, enter mode 3 and then 2. So enter mode 3 to mode 3 and then 2. So magkakaroon tayo ng display na X and Y column. Then input natin for X. So at i-correct lang natin to engineers. So na-correct na natin siya engineers now. For X column is our percent slip, and then for Y column is our speed or the rotor speed. So at percent slip equal to 0%, yung magiging speed natin dito is our synchronous speed. 120 times frequency over P. And then for slip equal to 100%, yung magiging rotor speed natin dito is 0. So ito yung magiging input natin. 0, 1. And then for Y column is 120 times frequency natin na 50 Hz all over sa number of pole natin na 6 pole. So input lang natin to. 0 and then 1. And then for Y column is our synchronous speed 120 times 50 over 6 and then 0. The next inter EC. So inter EC natin engineers. Inter EC and then yung ating speed. Input natin yung ating given speed na 960. Since percent slip yung hinahanap sa problem, gagamit tayo ng X hat. Where yung X hat natin is ship 154. So that is 960 ship 154. So we have 960 X hat. Then inter equal. So we have a result of 0.004. 0.04. So itong 0.04 is our percent slip. So this is equivalent to 4%. So that will be letter C. So ulitin lang natin from the start. Mode 3 to and then 0, 1. And then for Y column is our synchronous speed 120 times 50 divided by the number of pole na 6 pole equal. And then inter EC. Then yung given speed natin is 960. So para ma-solve natin yung ating percent slip is lalagyan natin siya ng X hat. Ship 154. And then equal. So this would be our percent slip. So percent slip is equal to 0.04. That is letter C. So I hope may natutunan kayo sa video na to and maraming salamat sa panonood. See you next time.